As one of the women who was beaten up, abused, and assaulted by Delhi police, RAF, CRPF, and whatever other security personnel that was present at the Delhi protest, I am utterly disgusted by Chief Justice of India. What the fuck do you mean that you don't have the time to watch the videos? A male RAF officer legit shoved his lathi into my buttocks. And other women have also described similar brutality or even worse for that matter. हमें रंडी बोला गया है. हमें मारते वक्त ये बोल रहे थे कि और मारो इन बहन की लोड़ियों को. एक लड़की को ये तक बोला गया था कि घर चली जा वरना थाने ले जाके नंगा करके मारूंगा. हमें थप्पड़ मारे गए हैं. औरतों की छाती पे पैर रखे गए हैं. And all of this was done by your male officers. And let me tell you, a lot of them were not even wearing uniforms. A lot of them didn't even have name tags on them. So were they actually officers or did the government send gunde? So please tell me, when will you finally open your eyes?